And Alright, so one of the biggest hang-ups that I see, and one of the biggest mistakes most people make when they're thinking about getting into podcasting is the equipment. What mic should I use? What equipment do I need? What I have found works best for all the experts that we've worked with, 34 and counting, is keeping things simple. So you hear people talking about this mic and that mic or that mic, and I will always love you. You don't need to worry about all that. You don't even need to think about that. I'm going to give you the simplest mic setup so that you can get studio quality sound without breaking the bank and without actually building a studio. So you want to start a podcast, you start doing your research, and what comes up is a barrage of different mics, of compressors, of audio boards, and you don't need any of that. Don't need any of that. What I recommend is keeping things super simple and using a USB mic. In fact, I've been using this one right here since 2008. And it plugs right into your computer via the USB port and works with GarageBand, Audacity, or any audio recording software you have on your computer. Now I can hear some people already saying, but what about normalizing and compressing and getting your audio all wonderful and spectacular so that it sounds great? Here's the secret. Get a pen and paper, you're gonna need to write this down. Hire an audio engineer, ta-da! That's it, that's what we do here at the Podcast Factory. We have audio engineers assigned to each one of our experts who get to know them, get to know their sound, get to know what they like, what they don't like, so they can make a mix that keeps you happy. So forget about learning all the other stuff. Just get yourself a USB mic, use GarageBand or Audacity, and hire yourself an audio engineer, and podcasting is going to be way more fun when you don't have all that extra stuff to worry about. So that's my tip for today. USB mic. I use the At2020 USB. Another one that I really like is the ATR2100. Then Audacity or GarageBand, and get yourself an audio engineer and get yourself out of the grunt work. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment, share it with somebody who needs it, who's out there building a studio as we speak. Save them time and money. We'll see you next time.